Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss these two questions. First question is, show that in Poisson distribution with unit mean deviation about mean is. We had not done mean deviation about mean in Poisson distribution, but we know that Poisson distribution is the limiting case of binomial distribution. Alright, so the conclusions that we had drawn in the binomial distribution, same we will use here. Okay, when we solve this question, see how will we proceed. Firstly, let us write down the terms that are given to you. In Poisson distribution, your mean and variance is equal. Only mean is given to you. Lambda is equal to 1, sigma square variance 1, तो sigma standard deviation भी क्या होगा आपका 1 होगा. All right, तो mean deviation about mean is given by summation x minus lambda का upon x from 0 to infinity, है ना. Neta is given by this and e की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा की पावर x बाय में x का फैक्टोरियल. This is the formula for the mean deviation about mean in the Poisson distribution. But in binomial distribution, I proved कि this is equal to what? Twice of summation x from 0. See, in the binomial distribution we break the summation at x equals to np. Okay, only half portion we had taken, but here your terms are infinite, and in Poisson case we will start our summation again from 0. We will not break it into from lambda to infinity or from 0 to lambda. Why we are not doing that thing? Because if we do तो समेशन का हाफ पोर्शन विल टेंड टू इन्फिनिटी एंड हाफ पोर्शन विल नॉट. तो हाफ पोर्शन कैसा हो गया? यू हैव फाइनाइट सम एंड इन वन साइड यू हैव फाइनाइट सम एंड इन अनदर साइड यू हैव इनफाइनाइट सम. तो फॉर दैट केस इज इट पॉसिबल कि इनफाइनाइट सम फाइनाइट सम के इक्वल आ जाए? इफ देयर इज नो सच कंडीशन कि कुछ फाइनाइट टर्म्स के बाद आगे की टर्म्स जीरो हो जाएंगे, लाइक दैट, इफ देयर इज सम टाइप ऑफ दैट कंडीशन, तो दैट एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू चेक. बट अदरवाइज इज देयर एनी पॉसिबिलिटी कि फाइनाइट सम इज इक्वल टू सम इनफाइनाइट सम? नो. दैट्स व्हाई वी कांट ब्रेक आवर समेशन हियर from x is equal to 0 to lambda. Okay, so what we will do, every time we will take our summation from 0 to infinity. Okay, it is twice of this thing, x माइनस लैम्डा e की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा की पावर x बाय में x का फैक्टोरियल. पुट लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 1, तो इट विल बी 2 समेशन x फ्रॉम 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. ओके, it will be x by x factorial. What I will do is e की power minus 1. I am taking this e की power minus 1 common. Okay, lambda 1 की power x minus 1 and 1 की power x. 1 की power any number that will be non-zero number, that will be always 1, so it will be 1 x upon में x factorial minus 1 upon में x factorial. Now just open the summation x from 1 to infinity. Why I am writing from 1? x upon में x into x minus 1 का factorial. Okay, x will cancel out and then it will vary from 1 minus summation. Here x will vary from, here x can vary from 0 to infinity. Okay, so 2 by e times of, open this summation, 1 upon में 0 factorial 1 plus 1 upon में, here also x will vary from 1 upon में x factorial. ओके, तो बिकॉज समेशन एक बार ही चेंज होगा, है ना. इफ आई कैंसल दिस x विद दिस, तो आई नीड टू वेरी फ्रॉम माई समेशन फ्रॉम 1 to infinity. दैट्स वाई इन बोथ आई एम चेंजिंग दैट समेशन. 1 अपॉन में x minus 1 factorial, x minus 1 factorial means 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 upon में 1 factorial plus 1 upon में 2 factorial plus 1 upon में 3 factorial plus 1 upon में 4 factorial and so on. माइनस में 1 upon में 1 factorial 1 plus 1 upon में 2 factorial plus 1 upon में 3 factorial 4 factorial and so on. Now you can clearly see, except this first one, from this term onwards, here these are in positive sign, here these are in negative sign. They will cancel out each other. This and all the terms cancel out with this because it is negative here. So it will be 2 by e into 1, which is 2 by e times of standard deviation. Standard deviation is given to you in the question, which is 1. Done. First part solution. Now we will do the second part solution. Second question is x and y, two independent Poisson variates are given to you, or they had given the condition ki probability of x is equal to 1 is equal to probability of x equals to 2, and same for y is equal to 2 is equal to y is equal to 3. You have to find out the variance of x minus 2y. Firstly, let us write the formula. Variance of x minus 2y, I can open it as variance of x plus variance of minus 2y minus some covariance term x comma 2y का. ठीक है? I think here 2 is also coming. It is some covariance term, but here x and y both are independent Poisson variates, so covariance of that will be 0. And one another property for variance is what? Ki variance of constant is constant square. Not constant square, actually variance of any constant is 0, but if some random variable is there with some constant, so that will be c square into variance of this y. If only you have this constant number, the variance of constant will be 0, but if you have some random variable there with this constant, so square of this constant will comes out. So here it will be variance of x plus 4 times of variance of y. Okay, now firstly, what is given to you? Name it as 1. Probability of x is equal to 1 is equal to probability of x is equal to 2. This is given to you. What will be the formula? E की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा की पावर x, x इज इक्वल टू x. व्हाट इज x हेयर? 1 अपॉन में 1 का फैक्टोरियल, e की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा स्क्वायर बाय 2 का फैक्टोरियल. e की पावर माइनस लैम्डा कैंसिल आउट ईच अदर, तो इट विल बी लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू लैम्डा स्क्वायर बाय 2. तो यहाँ से दिस लैम्डा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 लैम्डा. तो okay, or directly we can do one thing. I can write it as lambda is equal to lambda into lambda by 2. This cancel out. Lambda is equal to 2 directly. हो गया. Now what is the mean for this first random variable x is 2? So variance is also 2 because both x and y are Poisson variates. Okay, now for probability of y is equal to 2, probability of y is equal to 3. e की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा स्क्वायर बाय 2 फैक्टोरियल, e की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा क्यूब बाय 3 फैक्टोरियल. कैंसिल आउट फ्रॉम हेयर एंड हेयर. 1 अपॉन में 2 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन में 3 इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल लैम्डा. 2 से 2 कैंसिल, लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 3. The required variance of x minus 2y is equal to variance of x is 2 plus 4 times variance of y. So 2 plus 12, which is 14.